Description: discover the ATLAS CCV, the latest ground drone by BAE Systems, designed for advanced combat missions, counter-UAV operations, and fire support. This modular 8x8 vehicle integrates cutting-edge autonomous technology with existing armored vehicle systems, offering a versatile and cost-effective solution for modern battlefields. The ATLAS CCV operates autonomously or supports crewed vehicles like infantry fighting vehicles and main battle tanks, providing a flexible platform adaptable to evolving threats. Equipped with the VANTAGE automated turret system and M242 Bushmaster 25mm chain gun, it delivers precision firepower and superior targeting in combat scenarios. This ground drone features a state-of-the-art sensor suite for 360-degree multispectral target detection, including day cameras, thermal imagers, and LIDAR, enhancing its reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities. With multiple operating modes like teleoperation, follow me, and waypoint navigation, the ATLAS CCV is built on a high-mobility chassis and powered by a robust Cummins ISB diesel engine and Allison 3000 transmission, making it adaptable to various military roles. Designed for tough terrains with advanced steering options and an 8-wheel drive system, the ATLAS CCV ensures superior maneuverability while carrying essential supplies and payloads. Explore how this revolutionary vehicle is set to redefine the future of autonomous ground combat.